This is the lecture number 6. In the lecture number 6 today we will discuss about the upper triangular matrix and lower triangular matrix. Before coming in this lecture, I will just suggest you that please go in the previous lecture. Then you will understand actually what is our language, what is our teaching method, and what we are teaching you. By the help of these lecture, you can qualify any exam. Okay. So now, upper triangular matrix, what is upper triangular matrix, what is lower triangular matrix? You can see that here we have written A11, A12 up to so on A1n. Okay, these are the elements, but the remaining elements, these are 0. If upper elements at the diagonal, this is the diagonal, okay. If these elements are non-zero, okay. If these elements are non-zero, then you will say that is the upper triangular matrix. It means that if you will say that if Aij is equal to 0 for I is greater than j. Okay, what is I is greater than j? You can see that what is this actually? Actually, this is A21. You can see that I is greater than j. This is I. 2 is greater than 1. Okay, A11. A12, A21, A22. You can see that this is the diagonal, this is 2, 1. Here I is greater than j. Okay, this is the upper element, this is the lower element. If Aij is equal to 0 for I is greater than j, I am not writing I is equal to j. Okay, it means that this will be also not 0. So such type of matrix, that is the upper triangular matrix. And what about the lower triangular matrix? In the lower triangular matrix, Aij is equal to 0 if I is less than j. It means that I is less than j means upper form it will be 0. Okay, this will be 0. Here this will be 0. And lower triangular matrix means this will be not 0. Lower elements will be not 0. And upper triangular means upper elements will be not 0. Okay. So now the question. In the exam, what they will ask? They will ask how many maximum number of zeros and non-zero elements are in the lower triangular matrix and upper triangular matrix. Just learn it. You can see that here total number of non-zeros are n. Then after then n minus 1. Then after then n minus 2. Similarly up to at last one element. If you will add all the elements, then you will get n into n plus 1 upon 2. Okay, that is the method. 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to so on n minus 1 plus n. Total number of how to add it? You have to use the arithmetic progression. Okay, by the help of arithmetic progression we have got this one, n into n plus 1 upon 2. So total number of these are non-zero. Okay, total number of non-zero elements are in upper triangular matrix is n into n plus 1 upon 2. Total number of zero elements are in upper triangular matrix is total is n square. N square, if you will cut minus n, you will if you will cut this diagonal, then you will get this portion and this portion. Okay, so now this portion is 0, so this is n square minus cut this portion upon 2, because this is the matrix. You cut this portion, then you got one triangle and second triangle, but we want only one triangle, so divided by 2. So this is total number of zero element are in upper triangular matrix is n square minus n upon 2. Total number of non-zero elements are in upper triangular matrix is n into n plus 1 upon 2. Total number of non-zero, same thing also. Total number of non-zero elements are in lower triangular matrix is n into n plus 1 upon 2, and zero elements are in n square minus n upon 2. Both are same. Okay. So in the exam they ask such type of question. I think that you understand, you learn. If you are just facing any problem, then you can ask me. Thank you so much.